Okay, how we doing, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at ticker symbol LIDR. That's AI Inc. All right. So I previously made a video on this just yesterday, and I told you guys why it was on my watch list, why we liked it, and I went ahead and added shares in the 500K challenge account for the Options Trading Tycoons Discord. As you can see, those 100 shares are up 24% at the moment, and then I also sold a a call option contract against these 100 shares today. And let me see here. I need to add in trade price real quick so you can see. All right, so as you can see, we sold these. We sold this right here for $110. Okay, and I did that earlier today when the price was up over 100%. Okay, so as you can see, we bought 100 shares yesterday, and from the close of yesterday to these highs up here is over 100%. When LIDR was up 100%, I said, man, you know what? This is awesome. This is amazing. I hope it can keep it up. But just in case it doesn't, I want to make a little bit of money in case it pulls back. Okay. So the way to do that is I went to the 15 calls. Okay. I went here and went hit sell single. And at the time it was $110 because the stock was trading at $9 a share. So it was a much more valuable contract. So I went ahead and sold that contract, immediately received the money basically. Okay. So I sold one of these. We change that to 1 to show you guys how you do it. Okay, and instead of saying max profit, it said 110. So I'm looking to get a max profit of 110 from these 15 November calls, selling them, hoping that it expires worthless or out of the money. Okay, meaning that the stock price is $15, is below $15 by November 19th. However, I would, if the stock price is above $15 by November 19th, then I will be forced to sell all 100 of my shares at $15 a share. But I'm okay with that. I'm personally, this is a long play to me that has the potential to run up quickly. Okay, but it's a long play for me. I'm looking to play this 13 gap, and a lot of price analysts are now putting a price target of $15 on LIDR. So all of this right here is a steal. I mean, even below $6 at what it's at right now, technically it's still a steal. Okay. If you notice, as I showed you guys, it closed and then opened and ran up 100% today. It gapped up on the daily chart here. Okay, so a lot of times these gaps tend to fill. That's why it was on my radar, because I want this gap to fill. So this gap is much closer to the stock. So this gap is currently much stronger. It's pulling, it has more weight on the price action of the stock. So I do think that we could see a pullback and fill these gaps, maybe even touch back down to here to our low of 4.8 and then rally back up massively. Okay, so I'm looking to do that. I'm holding these shares, I'm looking to sell them at like 13 or 15, maybe even 16. Just depends on if a covered call gets on what happens. But basically, that's a really good strategy. So if you look, our profit loss is currently 56%. Okay. We have original trade price of $4.52 or per share, and we got 100 of them. Okay. So we instantly made 25% profit and got that cash profit no matter what, with this $110 that we gained selling this November 15th or this 15 call for November 19th. So right there, automatically there's 25% of what we paid for those shares is in our pocket. That's why if you notice, the overall profit loss is 56%. The shares is only 23%, but we're already at 80% on this covered call that we sold. So we could close this and buy it back for 20 bucks. We could do that, but I'm looking to just let it expire worthless. Okay. So let me know what you guys think about LIDR. Do you guys think it has plenty more room to run? Do you think it's done? Do you think this was it? It's going down, or is it going back to the moon? Let me know in the comments below. The link to join the Options Trading Tycoons Discord will be down below as well in the description. Go ahead and join that. Please join that. There's a lot of great teachers and members and other traders like myself and people who help teach me what I learned. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.